Number 1. Black granite countertops. The dark surface, while visually appealing, attracts every speck of dust, smudge, and fingerprint. It's an endless cycle of wiping down, only to have it mirrored again seconds later. In my home, what initially seemed like a stylish choice transformed into a daily chore. Despite frequent cleaning, maintaining a pristine appearance is nearly impossible. Number 2. Dark wood flooring. These floors, acting as horizontal surfaces, collect dust, dirt, and debris relentlessly. Every speck becomes visible, demanding frequent cleaning to maintain an aesthetically pleasing look. My experience with dark wood flooring has taught me that, unless you enjoy daily floor maintenance, it's wise to choose a medium or light-toned wood like oak. The ease of cleaning and the ability to hide dirt make a significant difference. Number 3. Wooden worktops in the kitchen. Often hailed for their rustic charm, these worktops absorb dirt, bacteria, and grime, making them challenging to maintain. The porous nature of wood means that it holds onto residues, creating a constant need for meticulous cleaning. While the idea of a wooden worktop may seem ideal for a cutting board-like experience, the reality is far from convenient. Number 4. Wooden toilet seats. The nature of wood makes it prone to accumulating dirt and grime, leading to a constant battle for cleanliness. Unlike their plastic counterparts, wooden seats require more effort to ensure hygiene, and maintaining a truly clean surface can be challenging. When seeking practicality and ease of cleaning in the bathroom, it's advisable to choose materials like plastic that offer simplicity and efficiency over the long run. Number 5. Black fixtures. The allure of black fixtures, be it faucets, knobs, or spiral kitchen faucets, can be undeniable, but their cleaning demands may dampen the enthusiasm. Black textures tend to showcase fingerprints, water spots, and smudges prominently, making the cleaning process a regular chore. Polishing and wiping become routine tasks to keep these fixtures looking sleek. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am frugal" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. Number 6. Blinds. These horizontal slats accumulate dust easily, requiring regular attention to maintain a clean appearance. Despite hacks like using an inside-out athletic sock for cleaning, the process remains cumbersome. If possible, avoiding blinds altogether can simplify your cleaning routine and keep your living space looking fresh. Number 7. Small tiles in the bathroom. The charm of small tiles in the bathroom, especially in the shower, may seem appealing, but the reality of cleaning grout between these tiles can be a laborious task. Opting for larger tiles or even grout-less surfaces can significantly reduce the effort required to maintain a pristine bathroom. Number 8. Freestanding tubs. Even if infrequently used, these tubs tend to accumulate dust and dirt, making cleaning a necessity. The difficulty arises when trying to reach the areas behind and underneath the freestanding tub, posing a cleaning dilemma. If practicality is a priority, consider built-in tubs that are easier to clean and maintain. Freestanding tubs, while aesthetically pleasing, may not be the most convenient choice for those who prefer a hassle-free cleaning routine. Number 9. Carpets in high-traffic areas. These floor coverings harbor dust and dirt, posing challenges for those with allergies. While they may be cozy in living rooms or bedrooms, avoiding carpets in high-traffic zones can simplify your cleaning routine. Area rugs, which are easier to clean or replace, might be a more practical choice for maintaining a hygienic and allergy-friendly living space. Number 10. Glass front cabinets. It may showcase your dishes, but they also display fingerprints with remarkable clarity, making regular cleaning essential. Every time you open the cabinets, the glass surfaces attract smudges, demanding frequent attention. If you prefer a low-maintenance kitchen, opting for solid wood cabinets can eliminate the hassle of constant glass cleaning. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Number 11. Elaborate baseboards. Cleaning them requires more than a simple wipe. It involves getting into every detail to maintain their beauty. While they may be visually appealing, the effort required for meticulous cleaning might make you reconsider simpler baseboard designs. Number 12. White furniture. Especially white couches may look pristine initially, but their susceptibility to stains and discoloration makes them challenging to maintain. Daily use, along with the inevitable contact with dirty hands, can quickly turn the bright white into a faded version of its former self. If you're aiming for longevity and ease of maintenance, choosing furniture in darker or patterned hues might be a more practical option. Number 13. Cabinets that don't go to the ceiling. Cabinets that stop short of the ceiling create an ideal horizontal surface for dust and grease to accumulate. Cleaning these areas becomes a cumbersome task, requiring reaching, scrubbing, and often climbing to maintain cleanliness. Opting for cabinets that extend all the way to the ceiling not only prevents dust accumulation, but also provides additional storage space. Number 14. Gas cooktops. While gas cooktops have their enthusiasts, their intricate design with grates and crevices can make them challenging to keep clean. Cleaning becomes more than just wiping the surface, involving meticulous attention to each component. If ease of maintenance is a priority, glass cooktops might be a more suitable option. Not only are they easier to clean, but they also offer a sleek and modern appearance. Number 15. Toilet not wall-mounted. Wall-mounted toilets, on the other hand, eliminate these hidden spaces, simplifying the cleaning process. With no floor contact, maintaining hygiene becomes more straightforward, and a quick mop under the wall-mounted toilet ensures cleanliness without much effort. While the aesthetics of floor-mounted toilets may be a consideration, the ease of cleaning associated with wall-mounted options can be a significant factor for those who prefer a hassle-free bathroom routine. Before I reveal the top 5 things you should avoid in your home, let's share some knowledge. Drop your best cleaning habits in the comments below, which might help others learn and grow. Number 16. Inaccessible washing machine and dryer. Locating the washing machine and dryer in a difficult-to-reach place, like a distant basement, introduces unnecessary challenges to your laundry routine. The inconvenience of accessing these appliances frequently becomes evident, turning a simple task into a cumbersome one. Number 17. Matte paint. It, often chosen for its aesthetic appeal and ability to hide wall imperfections, can become less appealing in real-life scenarios. Its susceptibility to fingerprints and the difficulty of cleaning without leaving marks make it less than ideal for high-traffic areas. Choosing eggshell paint, which strikes a balance between a matte finish and easy cleaning, can be a more practical choice for maintaining a visually pleasing and easily cleanable home environment. Number 18. Integrated or undermount sink. While integrated or undermount sinks may offer a seamless look in the kitchen, they present challenges when it comes to daily cleaning. The seam between the sink and the countertop becomes a catch-all for crumbs and debris, making it harder to maintain a pristine appearance. Number 19. Lack of a handheld shower. The ability to direct water precisely where needed facilitates rinsing and cleaning surfaces without the need for additional tools. Installing a handheld shower head transforms your regular shower into a versatile cleaning tool, making the bathroom maintenance process more efficient and enjoyable. Number 20. Lack of adequate storage. Having designated storage areas for belongings minimizes the appearance of mess and simplifies the cleaning process. Whether it's cabinets, ottomans, or creative furniture solutions, prioritizing storage contributes to a tidier living space. When choosing or designing furniture, consider options that offer both functionality and storage capabilities to maintain a clean and clutter-free home environment. There you have it, 20 items you should never have in your home. Do you want to know the best and smartest frugal living tips from the Frugal Grandma? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.